Hello everybody! Happy Lunar New Year! This year is the year of tiger, so let's make some tigers. Let's make tiger number 1. We need white sheets, colored sheets, a cardboard piece, Sharpie, colored pencils and markers, glue stick, glue gun and glue sticks, scissor, pencil and eraser. To start with, take a sheet. I'll be making a white tiger, so I need some white sheets. Fold this like an accordion or a fan. First, fold it in half. Just like this. Now open it. You know why we do this? So it will be easier to fold the fan. Like this. Now fold it in half. Now take the glue and put the glue right here so it will stick, and then hold it. Just like this. Like this, we need 4 of them. Here are all 4 of them. Next, we need to make a circle out of cardboard. You can make the circle out of anything. I will be using this tape roll. Circle like this. Now cut it like this. Now stick these onto the circle using a glue gun. Now stick each fan together using a glue gun. Just like this. It's time to make the ears. For that, we need to take a piece of paper and fold it into half. Make a big circle and a little circle on this piece of paper. Cut these circles out. We'll get 2 big and 2 small circles. Just like these. Outline these circles with black. Just like this. Now color the smaller ones with gray on the inside and outline them with black on the outside. Now stick the smaller circle on the bigger circle. Just like this. Next, for the eyes, take a blank piece of paper and fold it in half and draw an oval shape, and then cut it out. Just like this. Now I'll outline it and then color it. Just like this. Now it's time to make the paws. On a sheet of paper, draw 2 paws and cut them out. Like this. I'm gonna outline, color, and show. I'll be using the color gray because we're making a white tiger. Just like this. Now it's time to make the nose and mouth. Let's draw it on a piece of paper and cut it out. Just like this. Now we have to outline it and color it. like this. This is how our tiger looks with all the facial features. Our tiger is missing the stripes. Let's make it. Finally, our tiger is ready. This is a white tiger. You can make a yellow one, an orange one, and this red one up here. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And wait for more tigers.